Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your creative team with Canva easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by accessing your Canva account. If you don't have an account, create one on the Canva website. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. Here, you'll see a variety of templates. Select the template that suits your project needs. Click on the template to open it in the editor. Familiarize yourself with the Canva dashboard. On the left side, you'll find design elements, text options, and media. Use the search bar to find specific elements. Drag and drop images or components into your design. To customize text, double-click on the text box. Type your content and use the toolbar for font options. Adjust colors by selecting the element and using the color tool. Consider your brand colors for consistency. Use grids or frames to maintain a structured layout. Collaborate with your team by inviting members to your project. Click on the Share button at the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of your team members. Choose their access level: can edit or view only. Use comments for feedback within the design. Encourage team members to contribute ideas and edits. Explore the Magic Resize tool for adapting designs to various platforms. After finalizing your design, download it by clicking the Download button. Select your preferred file type and quality. Save your design to your computer or directly share it. Repeat these steps for other projects to maintain consistency. Scaling your creative team with Canva can enhance collaboration and efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.